Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Showman Nath's YouTube channel. And if you want to reward yourself with right information at right time, please do subscribe Showman Nath YouTube channel and like, share, comment. And definitely, I'll come back to you with new information. So today's topic, what we are going to discuss about is analysis of examination probability, finding out the missing link for students of West Bengal. What does that mean? It means a very simple one. Students are confused because of lockdown 5.0 as well as the announcement of UGC as well as announcement of Dr. Nishank, who is the human resource minister as well as education minister of India, and the West Bengal vice chancellor's council's announcement till the closure of all the universities as well as colleges till 30th June 2020. So amid this, is it possible to take exam as per the UGC guidelines from the 1st of July within 15th of July and publication of the results within 30th of July? Because many of the students who have got admission in masters as well as have got opportunity to study in abroad, as well as those students who are looking for better opportunities and better avenues, what will happen to them? So this analysis will give you a brief idea what is going to happen. So let's move forward without wasting any more time. See, this lockdown 5.0 or 5.0, this extended in containment zones till June 30th, announces Ministry of Health Affairs. So Ministry of Health Affairs, what they talked about, it matches, because I'm trying to go for a comparative analysis between what West Bengal is talking about and what central government is talking about. Then I'll come to the examination part. So this is first thing. So West Bengal universities recommended suspension of classes till June 30. This is the Press Trust of India, one of the best information provider. May 30, 2020, 11:37 IST, as well as the Z News, which as far as other channels were also there, who talked about this lockdown 5.0 and May 30, 2020. So this is something which is really very interesting. So it's becomes state versus the center. So it's not like that I'm going to comparative analysis between these two, but the most important thing what you need to find out, that according to central government, like those who are red zones as well as containment zones, there it will be the lockdown will not be lifted and lockdowns were still there till 13th June. And if we'll have a look into this, that this red zones, so we will find out Kolkata, Howrah, North 24 Parganas, South 24 Parganas, Paschim Midnapur, Purba Midnapur, Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri, Kalimpong and Malda. All these districts are under red zone. So in this red zones, this lockdown will not be lifted. So the question which comes in mind of the students, that if these zones and the students who belongs from this zone, how they are going to give the examination if these zones are containment zones, as well as announce that these students, those who are from containment zones, exams will be taken later. So they are really very worried. So let me tell you what are the probable ways. Now let's see, this Ministry of Home Affairs, what they said, that the phrase guidelines for phased reopening all activities outside containment zone for the next 1 month till June 30. On the other hand, non-containment zone can open in a phased manner. So there will be phases, whereas this academic activities, still this Bengal Vice Chancellor's Councils have taken till 30th June, all the universities and colleges will be shut down. So there is a complete mismatch between these two statements. And how to draw this into a similar one, let me tell you this. Like, though there are containment zones as UGC directed, that maybe those containment zone students exam will be taken in a later stage, so, or a later date. So here the lies the solution. So those who are from containment zone, may not possible for them to give the examination with others right now, but if exam takes place, let me explain, because safety first, safety first, I repeat, safety first, because safety of the students is the prime concern for all the universities. As a result, see, West Bengal is also showing the same kind of initiative, as well as West Bengal universities are also showing the same kind of initiative. They're worried about the students. So now if we move forward, that there are different phases, so mostly three phases: first phase, second phase, and third phase. We are not concerned about the first phase right now. Now our main concern is the second phase, that is schools, colleges, educational training, coaching institutes, etc. will be opened after consultation with the state and union territories, basis on the feedback with all the stakeholders including parents. A decision in this regard will be taken in the month of July. So let me tell you that this lockdown 1 or 1.0, unlock 1.0, lockdown 5.0, and this lock and unlock situation is not at all for the students. So students need to wait for phase 2, and when this phase 2 comes after 13th June, means after, in the month of July, first week, maybe the university will again, since in the Grivansel were there, the university will ask all the students, stakeholders, as well as the parents and students, that schools and colleges as well as universities will be open or not, on the feedback of this. So now the next question is, see, if this kind of things continues, if this kind of things continues, then what are the possible ways? The possible ways, that the first thing which comes, that those who are in containment zone or red zone or green zone or in orange zone, whatever the zone is, irrespective of that, there may possibility that exam will delay. So exam will may take place in the month of July, maybe last week, or maybe August. So we are keeping our finger crossed, maybe last week, or this is the first one, and this is applicable for all the universities. 1 plus 1 plus 1 semester wise, whatever it is, the exam cannot take place before the last week of July. It will be really very critical to say right now, but still I'm saying that exam will not be possible, because after 30th June, universities and colleges, if reopen, then it will take at least 10 to 20 days to sanitize the institutions or the universities. And after this sanitization, what will happen? After this sanitization, they will talk with the students, and then they will arrange the examination system, and then though it's ready, they are saying, but still it will take time. So last week of July the examination will start, and within first week of August the examination will be over, if corona or COVID-19 is under control. So one good news, one bad news is always there. Here is something like, right now we are having no profit, no loss, no good news, no bad news. Everything is null and void. Why? The first thing, because the analysis result shows that students, those who are opting for higher studies or job, they might have the chance to face bitter experience, because examination if not taken place, firstly. Secondly, the ray of hope, what I can say is, if examinations are not at all take place for final semester or intermediate students, then the universities might follow the rule of 50 plus 50, and where there are, say, first year students, specifically 1 plus 1 plus 1 students, first year students, it will be only based on their class assessment as well as assignments. So these are the three things which I want to clear to you all. I hope you have got an understanding of this, and till if you have any doubt, please comment it to the comment box and I'll come to you. Regarding backlog students, let me tell you this. Backlog students, those pass out students who are having backlog, they will get a separate supply for clearing it. Second option, if you are in final semester right now and you are having backlogs in previous semester, let me tell you, you have to clear all the papers along with final semester papers, and so special dates will be arranged in that case. Again, if examination took place at all, here word or term keyword used carry forward, like if the sixth semester students were passed on the basis of previous, I mean final year students were passed on the basis of previous record, then they will be carry forwarded, but the backlog paper that they need to clear a later on stage will be maybe after 1 or 2 months of the final examination, and then they will get the final mark sheet. That will also create a lot of trouble for the students who are opting for higher studies or job. So in that case, it is really very difficult to predict anything right now, but hopefully universities will consider, and this carry forward they will not consider for the students to sit for the examination after the final examination. They will go for a humanitarian approach and give the marks for those subject students have got failed or backlog papers on the basis of performance of other papers. So with this we come to an end to the session, and thank you for watching my video. If you like it, then share it, subscribe my channel, and with this, thank you very much, all the very best. Please press the bell icon if you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, please do subscribe right now and press the bell icon so that you can get the personalized notification. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye bye.